Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. We're going to show you Range Rover Evoque 2013. We've installed the Computer one-button remote starter on this vehicle. We also connected the power lock in this car, as this vehicle factory remote locks out when the car is running, so you can't get in from the factory remote. You have to use the aftermarket. So we've used the Computer Pro 2-mile range one-button remote, the R3 Pro. And we're going to hold the start button until we have the key showing on the remote. The green light indicates that the car was able to receive the command and the remote starter is ready to start. The remote starter did a quick check on the vehicle systems and started the vehicle. After a few seconds, we're going to have a confirmation here on the remote, and every few seconds the confirmation will still be here. Now, we have done this vehicle without a key takeover. That way it's safer for this vehicle, so nobody can get in and start and drive away. So to unlock the doors, we're going to press the remote twice. 1, 2. The vehicle receives the command. After the doors are unlocked, you can get into the car. In a few seconds, the car will shut off. And then go inside, put the vehicle and drive. Press the brake, press the push button and drive away. For remote starters on Range Rovers, Land Rovers, contact us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.